In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Elementor header and footer for your WordPress site. Now, if you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website, this is one of the easiest ways to start. So, let's get right into it. First, we'll be dealing with plugins on our WordPress dashboard, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. What we want to do next is search for a specific plugin called the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. This tool will be our best friend today. Once you've found it, simply click on the button to install, and after that's done, activate it. With the plugin installed, we're halfway to creating our custom headers and footers. Our next step is to navigate over to Appearance, then look for and click on Header, Footer, and Blocks. This section is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to Add New. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose whether you're creating a header or a footer. Make your selection, and let's also give it a unique name, something that makes sense for what you're designing. Now, setting display rules is crucial. Display rules are essentially the guidelines for where and when your header or footer will appear on your site. For today, let's set it to apply to the entire site. This way, your new design will be visible on every page, providing a consistent look throughout. After you've set these initial parameters, it's time to move into the creative phase. Go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. This action will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, a highly intuitive tool that functions a lot like building blocks. You'll start designing your new header or footer just like any other page. Here, you have the freedom to add anything, from logos and navigation menus to widgets and other elements that reflect your brand's identity. Designing is where you can really let your creativity shine. Make sure to preview your header or footer as you go along, checking that it looks great on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied and everything looks just right, click on the Publish button. Thanks to the display rules we set up earlier, your new header or footer will now automatically appear across your site. You won't have to do anything else. Your changes will be applied based on your specifications, ensuring a seamless and uniform aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a custom Elementor header and footer, enhancing both the function and form of your WordPress site. With a little bit of patience and creativity, this process can really transform your visitors' experience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.